In this exercise here, we're looking at how one large value and extreme value affects the different statistics which you calculate. You're asked to calculate the mean, median and mode of factory workers' salaries here. And I've gone on ahead in advance and done that. You can check out the calculations if you like. Now, there was a point brought forward from a worker in the factory. The CEO had claimed that the company was paying the employees generously and they were paid an average salary of over $31,000. But a worker was claimed that the CEO was being dishonest and said that employees were poorly paid. And we have to sort of discuss this statement. Now, firstly, the CEO wasn't being dishonest because when you work it out, on average, the mean works out to be $31,024. So he's not being dishonest, but I think he is being deceptive. You see, that average value or mean value is kind of inflated because there are a few workers here, 6 managers and 1 chief executive officer that are paid very high salaries. And it's their salaries which are making the mean seem a lot higher than what it should. This mean value, it may be the average value, but it certainly isn't typical of the whole set of data. In fact, there's no one in the factory that earns really anything like $31,000. Most of the workers in this factory earns very small wage as a worker or as a supervisor. So it's only these high ones which are making that mean seem higher. Now perhaps it would have been fairer if the CEO was quoting the middle salary, the median salary of the workers in the factory to give an idea of what the sort of central figure was, or even the mode salary. What's the most common salary? Both of those would have given $15,000. I'm going to write up an answer based on that and pause the video for a minute and then come back. Okay, that's what I've come up with there. Now the important thing here is to realise that the mean can be affected by one very large or several large pieces of data in a set of data. The median and the mode are not so greatly influenced by an extreme value.